Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have a shirt. I'm just gonna rip it open here and show you all what it is here. It's kind of a silky-ish shirt by Hardaddy. I got a size large. Oops, I dropped a piece of paper. Pick that up before the dog gets it. But then here we go. This is what it looks like here. Look at this cool pattern and everything on it. Kind of got a little bit of mystical, kind of Halloweenish happiness and whatever going on in there. I'm gonna try it on over my shirt just because I'm wearing a black shirt. It's kind of cool anyways. So you can kind of get an idea of what this looks like here. So it's got a good length to it. This is a perfect size for me. It's like, I think I got large. And let's see, I'll button it up here. Yeah, not sure I'm gonna get all the buttons, but you can kind of see it's got cool patterns on it. Very mystical kind of vibe to it. So this is kind of good for Halloween, or could be good for any kind of a little fun get together. The bottom here, it looks like it's a fairly straight-ish around, not one of those weird, up and down kind of shapes. So I would wear it untucked. It's good. It goes down good length. I can totally wear it and flex in it and everything. And depending on whether if I'd wear a shirt under it or not, depending on I guess what I'm doing. It is fairly thin. It feels like a silk kind of blend. Let me see what it is. Take it off here for a second and see what it says. If it says what it's made of here. It is 100% polyester, so that's kind of good. So nice, and it feels great. And out of the bag, it really doesn't even have any wrinkles or anything. It just looks really like a nice shirt. So that's really cool with a cool pattern. I think they have different ones with different colors and things like that. But I like the black and white look. There's like spells and a black cat, all sorts of cool stuff. Totally awesome. Thumbs up.